Yeah, hello guys. I have another phone here. Screen is a Nokia C series. You can see the screen is pretty much done. Screen is just not okay. And we're also going to replace that screen together. So that you can also get to learn something about how to replace a Nokia screen. It's nothing much with other phones. It's pretty much the same. Yeah, but I'll say I'll keep uploading the phone screen replacement videos because people are still requesting for those videos. There's a person who would want to see how our Nokia is being replaced. Some will insist on Infinix. So I'll try to get as much more phone models as I can and try to do a video here. And that's the back cover is out. That's how I see some people are not having confidence that hey, the video that you have. I was talking to one of my subscriber, some of my viewers. Let's grab those screws. And they are telling me that, hey, can you do a phone screen replacement for this model? And I'm telling them it is still there. It's pretty much the same with other models. And so it seems that they are not having confidence since I've not made that exact same model. Now they are no they are scared that they might not do it the proper way. And so the same way we work on other phones, the same way we are going to work on this one, guys. So I will keep doing it until you get confidence. Yeah, until you become confident that you can also work on any screen. There's nothing much different when you're working on an Infinix, a Techno, or especially these normal phones. But anyway, customer is always right. Customer is the boss for whatever they want. Just make sure you give it to them. And now let's work on this Nokia. This is also a video somebody requested, and I was lucky enough to get a Nokia here, and also to have time to do some recording. So the battery out, as you can see, disconnect the battery first. Check the below part here also. Yeah, I think in Nokia we have that flex that we have two flexes. The one that is coming all the way from bottom to up, and now the other one that coming to the charging plate section. You'll have to unplug this to unscrew that button. Try to see whether you'll disconnect that screen connector too. Very important. Yeah, so it's out. Yeah, you can see that connector I'm talking about. It's here. This one. See? Now the battery has to come out. As I said, have to create an opening somewhere and insert a paper sheath. Use isopropyl alcohol to your advantage. And guys, when you're uplifting that battery, don't force. If you make any opening, or if you prick the battery and now there's an opening into the battery can burn and may cause some flames. So let me insert the sheath under the opening I've just created. Yeah, you can use this one. The harder one is for the battery. The two are sheath. The softer one, that one I've just is for the orange one is for the screen, and the black one is for the battery because it's a bit hard. So let's insert. Yeah, it's in now. You can remove the scraper. Isopropyl. And the isopropyl will weaken the glue under the battery. Yeah, so make sure you are you're using or taking advantage of isopropyl alcohol, it's going to make your work a bit easy. I think you're almost there with the battery. Now let's try to make an opening for the screen. And that's okay. Put in the paper sheet. Now also work. Yeah, the screen is almost out. Disconnect that flex here. It's a double flex. As I told you, the screen comes in different models and different designs. The motherboard is loose now that we have removed all the screws. Yeah, that one. Remember also to let's try to tighten one screw so that the motherboard can settle. And continue now with our screen. This one, remember that screen connector there? Remove it so that now the screen can come out. Yeah, the screen is out as you can see. Now the charging plate also should be also tightened with one screw. Yeah, I think it's fine. So guys, we grab a new screen and that's it. So screen is out. Try to do some cleaning here. Remove all the glue, the old glue, and also clean the dirty area. So now that we come with a new screen. So I brush off the dirt. I just try to make the place clean as possible. So yeah, that's all. Yes, now I think we can grab a new screen. Yeah, guys, now started the new screen. Now I'm tightening the screws. Don't have so much time, guys. I'm in a hurry because I have some jobs here I have to complete before the day is done. Yeah, I have to be a bit quick. Let's take the plate cover. Our last screw. What? We have some more here. Yeah, yeah, the screen is okay. It's working. So, guys, rest assured that as you have seen on other videos, the process is not very different from one phone to the other, from one brand to the other, from one model to the other, from one company to the other. The method is pretty much the same. So have confidence. You can work on any phone by now. Just need 2 examples, 3 examples, and now you can work on any phone. But I still understand that maybe you want some more videos to have some confidence. Let me wipe off some glues here so that the screen looks fine. Put the back cover. Yeah. Everything is okay now. Just wait for the screen to fasten and that's all. You give the phone to the customer and we move on to the next job. I do not make videos on all jobs, guys, because of time. Making a video is not easy. You require time, you require be a bit careful to keep explaining what you are doing, and sometimes there's a lot of work here and I have to keep up with the deadlines, but I'll keep trying to make more videos, guys, so don't worry. Uh, we will try to make as much as we can for you to learn something out of those videos, guys. So that's all for that phone. There's nothing much there. So guys, as I say, keep subscribing, guys. For those who have subscribed, I'm very grateful, guys. Keep liking, keep sharing, and let's know what you think down in the comment section. And let's know what videos you would like, guys, for us to make. Thank you so much. Bye.